Hello, everyone. I'm a struggling momentum option buyer trader and trying to be profitable. And this is my weekly analysis on QQQ. I normally trade QQQ options. For some reason, I'm more comfortable with put than calls. Like if you see 99% of my trades are on put because I learned that when the price falls, its price falls very quickly as compared to when it rises very slowly, right? But I'm very careful when the trend is up and I'm putting a trade on the downside. But I'm at the same time preparing my mind that I should be more comfortable buying the call when the market is rising. So this is the weekly analysis. If you see that we have on a weekly basis, it is forming the trend line, right? And over here, it broke the trend line, and right now it is rising. So definitely the momentum is up. So uptrend momentum is uptrend. Long-term momentum is uptrend, right? But of course, it has a resistance, weekly resistance over here, right? So it did trend. It broke the trend line. It broke the trend line, and now it is struggling through this resistance. If it breaks this resistance, then probably is going to test out this level, right, on a weekly basis. But now let's see how the daily chart looks like. So if we go to the daily chart, if we go to the daily chart, as I said, that it is that this this is a weekly resistance, and so is the daily resistance. This one, the pink line over here, right? Sorry, this is the first pen, the screenshot, this screen writing pen that I bought, so I'm still getting comfortable with it. So sorry about that. So if you see, this is the daily trend, right? A daily resistance, right? And also the weekly resistance. And if you see over here, it formed a doji candle, which is a reversal candle inside. And over here, the price went down all the way to and tested this level, but it went up all like the price went up in the second half of the Friday, right? And now I'm thinking of a couple of scenarios that how I'm going to trade tomorrow. So it could either go down because some people are saying that the cent that base September, normally September's in the last 5 years, they that mostly end up in red month end, and let's see how if the sentiment changes in the last 2 weeks of last week of September. Right now on the weekly, it is bullish. So, but you see that this is how the 5 minutes is forming. So how I'm planning to trade this one. So market on Friday opened up, right? Then it formed hammer candle. Then the market went up, right? Then it formed a hanging man, right? The market tested lows, and then made up a price action, went low, right? And over here, the market just because it was in the resistance zone, market did not go up, right? And then fell down, and then market fell all this was Thursday, and this market went all the way down, right? Then the bullish candle came up. This was the bullish candle, hammer, and then market went up, and then it tested this resistance, right? It tested this resistance, right? And over here you will see it is also testing this resistance, right? So it tested the resistance. It then consolidated for a bit, and then it tested the trend line. It again consolidated, then it went up, right? It broke the resistance, 1 2 3, and then it went all the way up. Then it tested the low of Thursday. Sorry, this is close of Thursday, right? Close acted as a resistance. Previous day close acted as a resistance. It fell down. Now tomorrow, what could happen is that market can take this as a resistance, as a support. Resistance as a support, right? Consolidates and then probably go up, right? And break this resistance. So it 1 2, right? So it might have one more downside, and then probably break it, right? Or what it can do, is that it can come down, right? By making lower lows, right? And then it may test the trend line, right? And then it may go up, right? Or it may not go up, and it may form 1 2 3, right? And it may consolidate and then drop. Uh, it, it break the it breaks this trend line, right? If it breaks this trend line, then all the buyers that have bought here, right, and will sell it, and then there will be a momentum trade, maybe falling down. First, it's going to test this resistance. Once it drops below this resistance, then it's going to test this, and if it drops below, maybe it will be a little bit slow, and maybe there will be consolidation here, right? I mean here, right at this point. Once it breaks this, then it's going to test this main resistance over here. So let me take the screenshot for my. But this is my analysis. Sorry, I'm getting used to this pen, um, desktop pen. All right. So I took a screenshot, and then so let me delete everything. And once it if it breaks this level, right, after consolidation, then it's going to test this, and you see that, and it may come to 475 to 476 levels, in between 476 to 474, right? So that is my and the pre-analysis for 223. Thank you.